Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge and Wisdom, Chapter 7, Shloka 30. Those who know me with the Adhibhuta, pertaining to elements, the world of objects, Adhidaiva, pertaining to the gods, the sense organs, and the Adhiyagna, pertaining to the sacrifice, all perceptions, even at the time of death, steadfast in mind, know me.
Chapter 7, Shloka 30. Sadibhutadidaivam mam sadiyajnancha ye viduho prayanakalepi cha mam te vidur yukta chetasah.
Chapter 7, Shloka 30. Lord Krishna further elaborates on how a man of wisdom is a man of all knowledge and all efficiency. A man of realization is not only integrated, has perfect self-control, and knows his mind and activities, but gains perfect knowledge of the world of objects, working of the sense organs, mind and intellect, but also the conditions under which all perceptions, physical, mental and intellectual, can take place. A prophet is totally dedicated to the Lord of his heart. He has neither the capacity nor the interest to know the ways of the world. Vedanta conceives a man of perfection as one who is proficient in the realm of the spirit and a master of himself under all conditions. He becomes the leader of the world as a master of his mind and as the minds of the entire living kingdom. To him, everything becomes clear. He knows everything of the past, present, and the future. Therefore, in this chapter, Knowledge and Wisdom, Lord has explained without doubt that the Vedantic perfection can be achieved and lived to the glory of the successful seeker and to the blessing of the world. Mere knowledge is not of much use. Wisdom is the glow which knowledge imparts to the individual. The fulfillment of knowledge is when he becomes a man of wisdom. Knowledge can be imparted, but wisdom cannot be given. Knowledge, when it is experienced, becomes wisdom. Learn more in the next chapter, Imperishable Brahman, in the next video. Om Tat Sat. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjot Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.